Now let us now see how we can call a package class from another package class. So I'll create another class. So let me first edit my class to make it just 2.myFirst, and I have a simple main in this. So I'll say myFirst.java, and I create mySecond.java, same package 2, and class mySecond, and from this class I'll try to call the main of myFirst. As I have no other method in myFirst, so I can even try and access the main of myFirst. So I'll write myFirst dot main and pass this a string array when this is all. So I'll run this. As we have already have the class path set, so everything is working fine for mySecond. So I'll say java 2.mySecond. So it is perfectly working. Now I can even add a method which is of package access. As main was public, I can access a method which is of package access. So I have designed a method to be called from the class mySecond. So I'll edit mySecond, and instead of calling main, I'll say new myFirst dot show. So now I am trying to access a package class and a package method of the package class. Oh, sorry, mySecond. So it says in show of myFirst. So we can access any package class as long as they both belong to the same package. And the second important thing to see in this is, in case I remove the package statement from myFirst, and then try to access it from mySecond, so now it is not possible. So we cannot access a non-package class from a package class, and this is where the problem comes in Java. As it was designed to have a proper package structure to be properly for calls to be properly implemented, so any class in a package cannot call a class which is without package. However, the reverse is possible, whereas even if, so as you can see, myFirst is now without any package, but still the system is trying to find this in package 2. So this is where the access problem comes, and it says that it is not able to find this class myFirst. So we have seen how we can access another package class, and let us see how things work out for a class without a package. Now let me edit the class path. So now I have myFirst, and I'll just run myFirst. So as you can see, I have removed the package statement. Now this class is just a normal simple class, as we had made all the classes earlier. But now if I'm trying to run this class, it is not able to locate this class. Now this is because for every class path to work a class without a package, we must include a dot in the class path. I'll just open up the class path. Yeah. Now for any class path to work properly, we must include this dot within the class path. So any directory that we have can have two packages. One which is the default package to which that class belongs, which is without any package, and second is the package name which is the same as the directory name. So if there is a directory called 2, it can have two packages. One is package 2 and second is a class without any package which belongs to the dot package, which we call as the default package. So when this dot is not in the class path, any class without package name will stop working. So now I have included the dot within the class path. Now let us see how has it started to work. Java my first. So it is perfectly working. So this dot you have to include in every class path in order to include all the classes which are without any package statement to be in the class path, and the system is able to run those classes. So for every class path that you set, you must include the dot before any other directory structure that you include. So otherwise any class that you have without package will stop working.